Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss list in HTML. The new topic here is of list. Till this we had discussed many basics HTML tags of various kinds. Now, very important topic of HTML is here list in HTML. A list is a collection of data. In HTML we can create two types of list. So there can be two types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list. Here is the definition of both. Ordered means an ordered list is a numbered list. Ordered means there is a number. Ordered lists are the sequence of numbers or characters. An unordered list is a bulleted list. Bulleted means there are no numbers in these kind of lists. There can be any style of bullet. We can also have a third kind of list which is called a nested list. Okay, as we are having ordered list, unordered lists, afterwards we can have nested list. Nested means a list inside another list. What's the meaning of nested? Nested means a list inside another list. We can nest the same or different kinds of list. Example: unordered list inside unordered list, unordered list inside ordered list, ordered list inside unordered list, ordered list inside ordered list. So here is the example of nested. Nested means we can list any one list inside any other list. For example, in nested list, unordered inside unordered, ordered inside ordered, unordered inside ordered, ordered inside unordered. So these are the examples of nested list. Now the tags for list. Here is the first tag, OL tag. As its name suggests, OL stand for ordered list. Here also it is written OL tag, it stands for ordered list. This tag defines a sequentially numbered list of items. It is used in conjunction with li tag. Yes, it is important to note down that with OL tag we will use another tag li. Li stands for list item. You must know OL means ordered list, li means list item. It is used to tag individual list items in a list. As example, there can be many items in a list. That's why we are making a list. So for adding those elements, li tag will be used. Note, here is a one note. Li tags don't have end tag, so there is no need of off tag of li tag. Here we can see the example of ordered list. HTML on, head on, title off, head off, body on, OL on. Afterward we have written li tag. There can be any example of list. For example, here the example is of computer concepts. Li computer concept, li ms windows, li ms excel, li ms word, li ms access, li ms powerpoint. Afterwards OL off, because ending tag of li is not necessary, so we are not closing here. We are closing only OL tag. Afterwards body tag, HTML tag. Similarly, second tag, UL tag. It is just opposite of OL tag. So OL makes a list with any number. Here we haven't defined which number we want in the list. Do we want 1, 2, 3? Do we want ABCD, or do we want number in a Roman number? So here by default any number will be written in the ordered list. Next, similar is unordered list. It's an UL tag. Here second is UL tag. It stands for unordered list. The UL tag defines a bulleted list of items. The li tag is used with UL tag, as li was used in OL tag also. Similarly, li will tag here, it will also be used with UL tag. It stands for list items and defines each item within the list. Example: HTML on, head on, title off, head off, body on, UL on, then li. In list item you can take any example. Here we have taken the example of subjects of your BC 6th semester: multimedia, .NET, project, web technology, artificial intelligence, UL close, of, body of, HTML of. So here in this example the output will be any unordered list with any by default bullet. You haven't mentioned the type of bullet, so there will be any bullet by default. So these are UL tag and OL tag. Next, there can be attribute also with OL and UL tag. Here first, attribute with OL tag. We can use type attribute to specify the number type with OL tag for ordered list. So OL we are using for ordered list. We can specify the type. Which type of ordered list we want to make? Do we want to have numbers? Do we want to have alphabets? Do we want to have Roman numbers? We can take any attribute value here. The possible value for type attribute are 1, A, capital A, small I, small I. For specifying Arabic numbers, yes, 1, 2, 3 and all are called Arabic numbers. Capital A, uppercase letters, small a, lowercase letters, capital I, uppercase Roman numbers, small I, lowercase Roman numbers respectively. So OL is a tag. We can use type attribute with OL tag just to specify the type of the numbers. Okay, here is the example using type attribute with value HTML on, head on, title off, head off, body on, OL type is equal to 1. Here we have started ordered list tag, OL tag with attribute type is equal to 1. It means there will be the sequence in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So LI, in LI we have written web technology, so answer will be 0.1 web technology, answer will be 0.2 .NET, answer will be 0.3 AI, answer will be 0.4 multimedia. Afterwards OL of, body of, HTML of. So these are the examples of list. So there are two lists, ordered list, unordered list. We can also nest list, so it will be called nested list. So there are two tags, OL tag, UL tag. We can use type attribute just to specify the type of the number or bullet. So for today this much. Next I will do in next lecture. Okay, thank you for today.